Yeah, that's good. Let's make some dark candies. So making chocolates is a little bit tricky, but I'm going to offer a few tips. I've got a marble slab and a bench scraper. You don't need them, but it certainly helps. I'm using Bittersweet chocolate. Whatever chocolate you decide to use, chop it fine. It will melt much easier. Whatever chocolate you do use, keep a quarter of your chocolate separate. We're going to temper the chocolate. It's going to make it set up right. Melt your chocolate in a double boiler, or, if you're lucky like me, this heated bowl. Once your chocolate is melted, mix it until it's cooled down to about 96 degrees. Then, add your reserved chocolate. Mix it in until it melts. Alright, pour your tempered chocolate into a star mold. Then, tip it over and knock it a few times so the chocolate leaves a thin shell. Then, using your bench scraper, scrape. Look at that. Pretty little shells. Let's fill these chocolates with something yummy. But first, scrape up your chocolate and add it back to your pot. Never waste chocolate. Then, you can fill your chocolate with caramel. And marshmallow fluff. If you pipe them in from plastic bags, it should be easy. Temper your chocolate again, and then cover the top. Your scraper will even it out. Let them set up good, about a few hours. You can speed it up if you put them in the fridge. These molds are cool because you get your chocolates out with a slap. Yum! Look at these gorgeous candies. If you want, you can take a few and coat them in pink. Let's slice them in half. Pretty! Dark candies are yummy! If you're looking for more goodies inspired by the works of Toby Fox, check out my Deltarune Undertale playlist for spider donuts, glam burgers, and more. Like, comment, and be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon too so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye!